YAML Episode 1. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll explore YAML, a versatile and human-readable data serialization language that's widely used for configuration files, data exchange formats, and more. Throughout this series, we'll dive deeper into YAML syntax, examples, best practices, and practical use cases. Whether you're a developer, sysadmin, or tech enthusiast, mastering YAML can enhance your skills and streamline your workflow. YAML, which stands for YAML Ain't Markup Language or yet another markup language, is a human-readable data serialization standard that is commonly used for configuration files and data interchange. It's often used in scenarios where data needs to be easily readable by both humans and machines. YAML Syntax Basics. It employs a minimalistic and intuitive syntax, making it easier to read and write compared to other data serialization formats. YAML uses indentation and whitespace to structure data, similar to Python. YAML's simplicity and readability make it a popular choice for configuration files, data storage, and communication between different systems. With its straightforward syntax and flexibility, YAML is widely adopted across various domains in software development and beyond. YAML data types. Scalars. Scalars represent single values and can be integers, floats, strings, or booleans. Sequences. Sequences are ordered collections of items, similar to arrays or lists in other programming languages. Mappings. Mappings are key-value pairs, similar to dictionaries or objects in other programming languages. Your first YAML document. Let's write a simple YAML document to represent information about a person. Example: YAML document representing information about a person. In the above YAML document, person is a mapping key that represents a person. Under person, name, age, and is employed are scalar keys, each with corresponding values. Hobbies is a sequence key with multiple items listed as its values. This YAML document provides clear and concise information about a person, including their name, age, is employed, and hobbies. Thank you. Please feel free to ask any questions. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our YAML tutorials and tips.